Introduction to Multimedia. Let's learn about what is multimedia, hardware and software requirement for multimedia, elements of multimedia, application of multimedia in science, multimedia formats. What is multimedia? Multimedia can be almost anything you can hear or see, like text, pictures, music, sound, videos, records, films, animations, and more. Multimedia is the presentation of information through more than one presentation medium or the combination of text, sound, pictures, animation, and video. Hardware and software requirement for multimedia. To develop the multimedia system require various hardware and software components which are graphics accelerator card, sound card, CD-ROM drive, microphone, camera, multimedia software. Elements of multimedia. Following are the elements of multimedia. Text. Text is the most fundamental element of any multimedia project. Of all multimedia elements, text is the easiest to manipulate. It is used to add special visual effects to text to create a more appealing presentation by using special tools such as bold, blink, underline, etc. Graphics. Graphics can be added into a multimedia project in the form of photographs or designs. It can be imported from a variety of resources such as the internet, a digital camera, a scanner, etc. Original graphics designs can also be created with the help of graphics applications. It is used to inform about anything to people easily because images can say more than text. Sound. Sound can be added to a multimedia presentation from a variety of sources. Original sounds can be recorded using a microphone and programs such as Hyper Studio, MovieWorks or Smart Sound. Video. Moving images or videos can be incorporated into a multimedia project as QuickTime movies. Animation. Animation is a group of graphics images that contain movement and look at the movies. It is used for making cartoon films, video games, etc. Application of multimedia in science. Experimental science can be explained with the help of multimedia presentation. The learning process becomes faster because you get inputs of two types at the same time, audio and video. That is why multimedia is very successful nowadays. Presentation software. The software that is used to display information in the form of a slideshow is known as a presentation software. This type of software includes three functions, namely editing that allows insertion and formatting of text, methods to include graphics in the text, and a functionality of executing the slideshows. Microsoft PowerPoint is the best example of a presentation software. Uses of multimedia. Entertainment. Multimedia is used in the entertainment industry, especially to develop special effects in movies and animations. It is also used in video games. Video games. We can also use a computer for playing video games. These games are software, Street Fighter, Batman, Arkham Knight, Mario, Prince Dave, etc. are some of the popular video games. Media player. Media player is used for viewing movies and listening to music and songs. We can use any audio or video CD or DVD which is used on a CD player or DVD player. Media player is a good entertainer. Education and training. In education and training, multimedia is used to produce computer-based training courses and reference books like encyclopedia and almanacs. Engineering. Software engineers may use multimedia and computer simulations for anything from entertainment to training. Business. In business, multimedia is used as a way to help present information to shareholders, superiors and co-workers. Multimedia is also helpful for providing employee training, advertising and selling products all over the world through unlimited web-based technologies. Mathematical and scientific research. In mathematical and scientific research, multimedia is mainly used for modeling and simulation. Medicine. In medicine, doctors can get trained by looking at a virtual surgery or they can simulate how the human body is affected by disease. On the internet, you can often find multimedia elements embedded in web pages, and modern web browsers support for a number of multimedia formats. Browser support. The first internet browser, Mosaic, had support for text only, and even the text support was limited to a single font in a single color. Then came browsers with support for colors, fonts and text styles, and the support for pictures was added. The support for sounds, animations and videos is handled in different ways by different browsers. Some elements can be handled inline and some require an extra helper program, a plugin. Multimedia formats. Multimedia elements like sounds or videos are stored in media files. The most common way to discover the media type is to look at the file extension. When a browser sees the file extension as .htm or .html, it assumes that the file is an HTML page. The .xml extension indicates an XML file and the .css extension indicates a style sheet. Picture formats are recognized by extensions like
.gif,
.jpg, .jpeg, etc. Multimedia elements also have their own file formats with different extensions like .swf, .wmb, .mp3, .mp4, MKV, etc.